In this video, I'm going to show you how to change recovery mail ID in Gmail. To get started, open up your Gmail. Next, you'll need to tap on your account on the top right of the screen. Here it will show you all the accounts that are logged into this device. Choose the account of which you want to change the recovery mail and then tap on Manage your Google account. Here you can manage all the settings for your Google account. Next, you'll need to tap on Security. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will see an option for recovery email. Currently I don't have any recovery email, but if you do, then yours would be showing right here. Either way, to change the mail, tap on recovery email. First, to verify yourself, type in the password of this account and tap next. If you already have a recovery account, yours would be showing here. Now you can simply remove the existing one and type in the new one. As I don't have a recovery email, I'll simply type in one. After you're done typing in this email, tap next. Now you'll receive a verification code on the email address that you just typed. You need to enter the code to continue. And just like that, you can change recovery mail ID in Gmail.